Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to unblock someone on WhatsApp. To unblock someone on WhatsApp, open up the WhatsApp app on your smartphone and then from the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right. Inside the settings menu, scroll down and tap on privacy. Inside the privacy option, tap on contacts. Under contacts, tap on blocked, and you will be able to see all of the contacts that you've blocked on WhatsApp. Find the person you want to unblock and then swipe left on their name. Now click on unblock and this will help you unblock certain contact on WhatsApp that you've previously blocked. Once you unblock the contact, the person will now be unblocked and can send you messages or call you on WhatsApp. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.